Let's take a look at BETAFPV's solution how to create a training kit for FPV. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone has a great day. This kit from BETAFPV just arrived at my doorstep and I want to use it over the winter months to get better in FPV. And since it's so small and light, just coming in with 42 grams, it's perfect to fly indoors when it's getting cold outside. Every day some stick time cannot hurt. I also found the controller to be surprisingly well built. The switches are really high quality and positioned nicely, and the overall feel of operating the aircraft is really good. After doing some test flights, I kind of like it. Just the goggles are pressing a little bit into the nose. The plastic is a bit sharp at the edges there, but the quality of the display is really good for that price point. And the Meteor75, which is included in the kit with brushless motors, is also performing fine. Let's take a look how heavy that little guy is. So the frame alone comes in at 30 grams. This is without a battery. We are flying with a 1S 450 milliamp battery coming in with 12 grams. Adding that to the frame, we are topping out at 42 grams for the entire aircraft. That makes it a super light, very nice little trainer you can fly every day, everywhere. Maybe outside when there's more wind you will have issues, but this is meant to be indoors and at light winds, maybe in the garden, flying a bit around, getting some training. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos.